Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to see a Reels watch history for a specific Instagram account. For example, if you want to see when you have watched a specific Instagram account Reels on what date and time. So if you want to see on what date and time you have seen specific account Reels on your Instagram. So for this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you have uh, installed the internet connection and you are using well, which means it is working properly. So the next thing you have to do is you have to simply open the app store here and you have to simply search for the Instagram app, and you have to make sure that it is showing uh, not showing any kind of update, and if it is showing any kind of update, then you have to simply update the Instagram app. And after updating the Instagram app, you have to open the Instagram app. In Instagram, you have to click on that profile section, and after that you have to click on three lines here. So in three lines you will find the option of setting an activity, so you have to select your activity. So in your activity you will find your likes, comments, reposts and tags also, and so you can find recently deleted option. Now if you want to see the reels for a specific page of the Instagram account, then you can simply click on that watch history, and after that you can simply select authors, and here you can simply select any of the authors you want to see whether you have watched their reels or not, which means you can select any of the account from here, and after that you can simply see that any of the reels you have watched from that account.